Hi, I'm Yaya Han, a cosplayer and designer you may have seen on social media or at fandom conventions. As a self-taught DIY crafter with over 20 years of experience and over 400 costumes under my belt, I know how nerve-wracking and complex sewing can be, especially when you're under time pressure to finish a project or must use unconventional materials. That's why I'm thrilled to announce that I've partnered with Bernette to design something truly special for creative makers everywhere. Introducing the b79 Yaya Han Edition. Yes, I got to help make a sewing machine. For the Yaya Han Edition, we have combined my knowledge and aesthetics with Bernette's Swiss design to bring you this elegant, futuristic sewing machine with stylish colors. This is a real eye-catcher in any sewing room. Now, let's talk about the exclusive features of the Yaya Han Edition bundle. We have included an additional set of 8 presser feet that I personally selected with garment making in mind. That's a total of 18 different presser feet to help you realize even your boldest creative ideas. As a combo machine, you can sew and do embroidery with the b79 Yaya Han Edition. And I made sure to give you all the tools needed to get started. First up, the machine comes preloaded with 276 embroidery designs ready to go. I carefully selected 64 motifs that are perfect for cosplay and fashion, and created 4 additional Yaya Han designs that are all exclusive to this machine. Next, we give you 3 hoops so you can embroider motifs in different sizes, up to 260 by 160 millimeters large. That's an area of over 10 by 6 inches, y'all. And the best part is, we have included the Bernina embroidery software Creator 9, which enables you to design, customize, and edit any embroidery motifs. For those new to embroidery, this means you can digitize custom embroidery from any image. This program gives you the power to embellish anything, from costumes to everyday wear to household items. The Creator 9 opens the door to the world of embroidery, and I can't wait for you to experience it. Now, let me share some of my favorite sewing features of the b79 Yaya Han Edition, because there are some fancy ones. Thanks to a powerful engine, this machine is a proper workhorse that can handle tough and bulky materials with ease. It comes with an intuitive 5-inch color touchscreen that displays all the information directly above your sewing project, so you always know what's going on. Plus, with the built-in Bernette Creative Consultant, you can get suggestions for the right stitch, needle, and presser foot for your project with just a few clicks. It's like having your own personal sewing assistant. Last but not least, I want to point out the Bernette Dual Feed, which is an upper feed dog in addition to the lower one that guides fabric safely through the sewing area. It comes in very handy when working with slippery fabrics such as velvet or chiffon. All in all, the Bernette b79 Yaya Han Edition is a unique total package for any creative enthusiast. Whether you're working on your next cosplay creation, experimenting with fashion design, or simply looking to take your sewing skill to the next level, this machine has everything you need to succeed. I can't wait to see what you make with it.